This video shows how to make a few adjustments on your dish rack. Sometimes you may find that the dish rack is not absolutely level. So what you do is you put it on a flat surface, determine which of these four balls is not touching the surface. In this case, it is this one here. So then what you do is you put it in a way that this particular ball is overhanging the edge of the table. The other three balls are on the table, and then you hold it down with this hand and then press it down firmly on this other side, and then now you can put it back on there and check it, and now it's completely level. Okay, so that's how you adjust, take out the warp in the dish rack. The other thing that you might have to adjust sometimes is, now we are putting these balls into the open leg tubes, and in this case we find that one of those balls is not going in exactly into that leg tube. So you see that this tube has to be adjusted a little bit. What you can do here is flip it, and in this case I'm just pushing on this thing on the leg, on the black leg cap to move the top in the opposite direction. Now you put it back in there and it goes in perfectly. So that's how you adjust the drain board legs to align with the ball feet of the dish rack.